Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Bus Simulator Ultimate login problem. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So, if you're having problems with Bus Simulator Ultimate and you're trying to log in but it's not working, well, the first thing that you may want to do is you may want to clear the cache for it. Now, also make sure to save your progress here, so log in or anything to save your progress. But next thing that you want to do is you want to go and look for Bus Simulator. You want to press and hold on it, and until you see the pop-up here. So usually if you press and hold on it, you should see this pop-up. You can go and just click on the eye icon, and from here what we need to do is you want to go and just click on clear data at the bottom right of the screen and click on clear all data. Now click on OK, and once you've done that, you want to go and exit this window here, and you want to go and just open up Google Play Store. Now, inside Google Play Store, what you need to do is you want to look for any updates. Now, sometimes you may encounter some login problem here. So, in this case, what you need to do is you want to make sure the app is fully updated or the game is updated. So, if you do see any update button here, go ahead and just click on update. And once the update is complete, you want to go and just start your phone and basically open up Bus Simulator Ultimate here and see if that actually helps. Now, if that doesn't work, the final and last thing that you could try doing here is you may want to uninstall and reinstall the app or the game again. Sometimes this may be a problem or a glitch inside the app, so sometimes doing a clean reinstall can actually help. So in this case, you want to go open up settings here, and you want to go ahead and look for apps. Now inside apps, you want to look for Bus Simulator Ultimate here. So you can go and use the search one, Bus Simulator. Go and click on it, and you should see app info as well. But yeah, you can go and click on install. Once you have installed this, reinstall it again and see if that helps. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.